3D printing technology has advanced to the point where it is used in various industries, like aerospace and automotive. However, ceramic 3D printing still faces many challenges due to the material's inherent properties. The production of multi-material ceramic components is especially demanding. An international research team, consisting of Korean and German researchers within the Eureka Network project, has developed an innovative multi-ceramic 3D printing technology that overcomes the limitations of conventional methods. Limitations of existing technology. The technology developed by the research team fundamentally improves upon the conventional VAT photopolymerization-based ceramic 3D printing method. The traditional process involves placing a mixture of ceramic powder and polymer resin into a vat and curing it, layer by layer, using UV light from above or below. While the process itself is straightforward, it often results in considerable raw material waste. Additionally, light scattering from ceramic powders can cause unintended curing, compromising the precision of the final print. Furthermore, simultaneous multi-material printing was not possible, which greatly limited its range of application. The issue of material cross-contamination during multi-material ceramic component manufacturing also posed a significant challenge. To address these issues, the research team applied an innovative idea by replacing the vat with a film-based material supply system. The ceramic slurry, applied to a transparent film, serves as a substitute for the conventional vat. The ceramic 3D printer developed by the research team incorporates 6 key technological elements. Control unit manages the overall 3D printing process. Material supply unit applies and supplies the ceramic slurry onto the transparent film. Photo curing unit cures the slurry using UV light. Rotating build plate features a 180-degree horizontal rotation function, enabling simultaneous multi-material ceramic printing. Material recovery/supply unit recovers and recycles uncured slurry during simultaneous multi-material printing. Stamping type cleaning unit prevents cross-contamination between different materials. When the 3D model file is uploaded and the material is selected, the system evenly applies the photosensitive ceramic slurry onto the transparent film at the appropriate build height. This minimizes material waste and allows for more precise printing. Once the material application is complete, the build plate descends, positioning the build surface within the slurry. At this point, the tilting plate comes into play, which, similar to a stamping process, minimizes bubble formation at the contact surface, enhancing both the precision and durability of the print. The light source system, based on DLP UV lamps, irradiates the upper surface with a cross-sectional shape, curing the slurry to form the print. This technology uses flashing light instead of continuous light, significantly improving the precision of the ceramic structures. This multi-ceramic 3D printer, equipped with multi-ceramic additive manufacturing technology, has 2 additional sets of modules aligned alongside the control unit and build plate, with each section supplied with different ceramic slurries. The build plate rotates 180 degrees horizontally, according to the control unit's commands, enabling simultaneous multi-ceramic printing. This process includes a step for removing slurry adhered to the underside of the build surface. After printing one material, the build plate rotates 90 degrees, undergoes cleaning through a stamping process, and then rotates another 90 degrees to print the next material. Various cleaning solutions are supplied to the cleaning pad via rollers and sprays, preventing direct contact between the solution and the printed structure to avoid compromising structural stability while maximizing cleaning efficiency and fundamentally eliminating cross-contamination. Once the structure is fully layered, unlike typical 3D printed objects, it undergoes a debinding process to remove the polymer, followed by sintering to complete the final product. The technology, based on the world's first photopolymerization-based multi-ceramic additive manufacturing system, independently developed by Dr. Hui-Suk Yun's team at the Korea Institute of Materials Science, was carried out as part of the International Collaborative Technology Development Project under the Eureka Network Project by the Korean-German research team. Daegun Tech Company Limited worked on improving mechanical performance for commercialization, while Silber in Germany verified part production and performance using the ceramic 3D printer. Fraunhofer IKTS developed the sintering process technology for multi-ceramic parts. The collaborative research team successfully produced key components for atmospheric plasma electrodes and thermoelectric generators, demonstrating the feasibility of multifunctional ceramic part production. Through international collaboration, this technology, which has laid the foundation for entering the European market with multi-ceramic 3D printing, will drive the growth and development of the ceramics industry as a whole, through further practical research aimed at expanding its application fields.